year's Sinulog Festival will truly be one for the books for Barangay Basakanon Nicolas in Cebu City as they celebrate the 35th anniversary of their representative, Lumad Basakanon. Established in 1989, Lumad Basakanon has been performing for Señor Santo Niño every year. It all started out as an activity for the out-of-school youth in the barangay every December. Now, Lumad Basakanon has brought pride to their barangay for numerous times. The group has been hailed as champions for 6 times in the free interpretation category of the Sinulog Grand Parade and has always been part of the list of winners each year since 2004. Aside from this, they are also considered as a Hall of Fame awardee for winning 4 times in the Aliwan Fiesta representing the Sinulog Festival of Cebu. On top of that, they have also been performing internationally in Korea and Indonesia, bringing not just the name of Cebu, but the whole country. This Sinulog sa Sugbo, Philippines 2024, Lumad Basakanon will be showcasing a new concept that all the Cebuanos must watch out for.
Kasagaran sa concept na umubuhaton every year, diri gyud siya kanang murag livelihood o paginabuhi diri sa nahitabo diri sa among barangay. Tungod sa kadako sa barangay ang mga kada sitio diri lain ang means of livelihood, dunay farming, nay fishing. So karon mo go into fishing siguro mi kay sa coastal area mi sa among barangay, area sa barangay kaning alumno, so diri nako gikuha ang concept karon.
From the start until the end, ang among gipakita gyud isip usa ka Basakanon ang pagtuo, ang faith ni Señor Santo Niño gyud. So amo siyang gilihok tanan pinaagi sa pagsayaw, pagsyagit o pagsinggit sa balaang bata sa Sugbo.
Richard, who has been part of the group for 15 years, vows to continue their panaad and devotion to Señor Santo Niño along with his fellow dancers. In fact, they have already started preparing as early as November, and this goes to show that Lumad Basakanon is more than ready to take on the stage and express their faith with their powerful dance performance. This has been Queenie Joligon for Sinulog 2024 sa MyTV.